I should probably do an intro to camera. What do I say? Hope I get this right first take. Today I'm off to WA Raceway in Perth. Now, unfortunately, this one's not quite ready to head down there yet, but we're going to check out round one of the Western Australian Hyundai Excel Cup. Come with me. Oh shit house. So here we are, Wanneroo, Western Australia, for the first round of the WA Sporting Car Club's round one for the year. There was a full lineup, sports cars, production cars. These were the Radicals, also HQ Holdens, always putting on a good demonstration. Love to watch these guys. The formerly a V Club was down there as well, but unfortunately didn't end too well for this bloke. Pretty major accident down the main straight. Improved production cars. There was the historic touring cars down there as well. The Camaro here went from last place to first place in the single lap. And the Minis, I love the Minis. Ford versus Holden was represented as well with the saloon cars. But of course, the one that we're all down here for and putting on the best show, in my opinion, the Hyundai XLs. So I spotted this on our way in, so we had to go and say g'day to Brent from Lux Performance. Of course, he's got all of his gear online, but it's awesome to be able to walk in and just check everything out. Of course, I bought a few goodies for my own little Hyundai project, so something else to do. And while we were there, my dad decided he'd buy me a birthday present. Thanks, Dad. I got these awesome gloves from P1 from Lux Performance. Thanks, Brent. You're a bloody legend. I'll catch you down the track next time for sure. And here they are, the Hyundai XLs. This is the real reason why I got up so early in the morning. As much as I really enjoy all the other racing categories, I think it is just the fact that I know I've got one of these waiting for me at home, getting put together, slowly mind you, but being put together so that one day I can join this field and be out there racing alongside these ladies and gentlemen. Man, that is exciting. And as you can see, there is plenty of Hyundai XLs here in WA. A field of 31 cars on the starting grid this year. And it seemed like just about every other car in the paddock that day was a Hyundai XL. It was awesome walking around the pits, chatting with the guys from the club, just checking out everybody's car, all newly prepped, ready for round one this year after a couple of months off. Some new paintwork, some freshly polished machines. It was fantastic to see, and an awesome club too. The guys in the Hyundai XL Club here in WA are super supportive, put me onto some really good information, and I can't wait to join them. Let's get the race started.
So you will head into turn number one for the first time.
Right on each other's gears, right on each other's backside as we watch just Lansby inside, yeah, brings out from behind car number 222, and he's got the Carlos has to hang on and try and go around the outside. Taylor drops it into the inside there, pushes the power down and drives away from Carlos Ambrosio, makes 2 to 3 gullies. Yeah, definitely a last-late racer move down to Tarazigua as they head into turn 4, and she really let Carlos with nowhere to go. That Ross was that trying to get to the lead with the master in the go back to Sheriff. He's having a good run here today.
I hope you enjoyed these few little highlights from round one of the Hyundai Excels. I hope to have a new video out for you soon with some more of my own Hyundai Excel race car build. See you then.